Y'all need to quit doing this number here and trying to install your spark plug, because that is going to get you a bent ground strap and a misfire, and you're going to have to take the plug back out, blah blah blah. When you pull your old plug wire off, let me show you something. Pay attention. Get your dikes. Snip the boot off, your old boot. Take your new spark plug, stick it in your old boot. Now you can go ahead and start your spark plug, pop it off, tighten it up. You're done. You're welcome. Follow for more tips and advice.